As many of you have expressed an interest in having written instructions, I've decided to offer written instructions along with my videos. I'm quite occupied at the moment, but I'm determined to complete the PDF as quickly as I can. Hey crafters, it's Trisa from Anjurisa. Welcome to my crafting room. Tomorrow marks Christmas and I would like to extend warm wishes to those celebrating. Following the festive Christmas celebrations, the countdown to the new year begins. As we say goodbye to the old year and embrace the new, I'm considering the idea of creating a lively habo in the coming year. Pom poms seem like the perfect addition to capture the spirit of the new year. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Get your fabric ready. I'm choosing bright pink material to celebrate the new year. The size is 7 by 4 inches. I will also write the size in centimeters. But please note that it won't be an exact conversion since inches to centimeters are not precisely equal. Next, we will require layers of fabric slightly larger than the initial one. Firstly, a layer of sponge fabric to provide stability and structure to the habo. If you are creating this as a hair clip which doesn't require the bow to stand firmly, you can exclude using this sponge fabric. Secondly, the same bright pink fabric with the right side facing up. The third layer will consist of tulle or a transparent fabric, allowing the pom-poms to be visible through this layer. The final layer is the initial fabric, positioned with the right side facing down. Next, proceed to sew all around the layers of fabric, leaving a gap in the middle. Once you've completed sewing around all the layers, trim the sponge fabric to prevent any bulkiness in the fabric. If you have a passion for all things related to hair accessories, consider to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Check out my previous video for more tutorials. And if there's something specific you're looking for and can't find, drop a comment. I'll do my best to respond, possibly even in a short video. Continue by trimming the other layers, including the corners, to ensure a neat and tidy finish. Flip the fabric inside out through the opening. Use a pointed object to gently push the corners. Be extra careful not to apply excessive force. To make it easy inserting the pom-poms, I will use a fabric clip, the purchase link for which can be found in the description. Pin the fabric layers together, ensuring to set aside the tulle fabric. Now, go ahead and insert the pom-poms. Add as many as you desire. Once you've inserted the pom-poms, here's my secret to creating a symmetrical bow. For this step, I'm using a fabric marker. You can find the purchase link in the description, where I always provide details about the materials used. Simply use the marker to draw a straight line in the center. Use a needle and thread and gather the bow right along the line we just drew. Gather the fabric, adjust a little, tie it, and secure the thread. Get your glue gun ready, along with a small piece of fabric measuring 4 by 1.5 inches. Press the fabric to the center, then attach it to the bow. You can trim any excess fabric. Prepare your accessories, whether it's a hair clip or a headband. The choice is yours. Handmade is all about personal preferences. For this tutorial, I'll be using a headband. And to make sure the bow stands firmly, attach the headband right at the bottom of the bow. That's it! Our hair bow adorned with pom-poms is finished. Thanks for following this tutorial. If you find it helpful, support this channel by liking and subscribing. If you don't, feel free to express your feedback by hitting the dislike button and commenting below. For any questions, drop them in the comment section. See you in my next video. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!